Safeguarding your Facebook account is very difficult now these days. So there are a lot of people that have lost their Facebook accounts to identity thieves and other people that use their account for malicious intentions and other things. So now, first thing you need to look at when you want to protect your Facebook account, look at your password. Your password is very important. When you want to create a password, avoid using your email account, that's your email address, to form a password. Avoid using your name and avoid using passwords that are used in other social media accounts, because that can compromise the safety of your Facebook account. And also remember, when creating a password, make your password a strong password by creating alphanumeric and characters. That's alphabet, numbers, and characters. Now, another thing is that can help you protect your Facebook account is to create a two-step verification process. That's a two-step authentication process. That is, there are layers of security and protection you need to put in place to avoid people that don't know those. Maybe, okay, let's see, in the case where you use what's your mother's name as a verification question, it's very difficult for anybody that doesn't know you closely or is a family person that might know your mother's maiden name. So those are steps that you need to put in place to save your account from getting hacked. Don't accept friend requests from people you don't know. A lot of scammers create fake accounts in an attempt to be friends with you. Once you and now the implication of once they become friends with you, they now change that name they used to send a request and start trolling, or they start sending spam messages to your contact. Sometimes they might post maybe a lottery on your wall. So now another thing you need to even look at again is to review your wall security. Who posts on your wall and who cannot post on your wall, because once they start sending those messages, like you see some, I'll put one up on the screen for you to see. You see those people will be misled by those messages and they'll think it's you, but you are not the one sending those messages. So you have to be very careful in accepting friend requests from people, and choose who you accept. Accept only people you know, only people you know, and make sure once you accept them, you keep a track of people you accept on your friend list on your Facebook. Watch out for suspicious links as well. Suspicious links, like those links that they post on your wall. Maybe a friend shares a post and you now reshare, or if maybe a friend, okay, maybe a friend shares some a post, you you didn't verify, you just reposted. And if it's a fake link, anybody clicking on those links will be a victim to either their account getting stolen, or they get messages from these fraudulent people and they get scammed at the end of the day. And ensure that you remove browser, for those of us that use systems to browse, remove browser extensions like all those ones that ask you to update without you asking them. Review the links very well before you accept or you click on them, and turn on your spam protect on your browser so that it prevents you from getting those links. Set up trusted accounts so that in case you get locked out of your Facebook account, yeah, then you can access your Facebook account. Please share this message to all your friends to prevent your Facebook account from getting hacked or stolen by identity thieves. Thank you.